Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to share this look inspired by Deepika. So first of all, I'm going to fill my brows. In this look her brows are neatly filled, so I'm going to fill my brows first. And for filling my brows I'm using the Miss Claire's pencil, and I really like the finish of this pencil. And then I'm using the Fit Me foundation in the shade 128. And with the help of a brush I'm going to apply it on my face. And then I'm using the NY base concealer, and I'm going to apply it under my eye area, on my chin and on my nose. And I really like this concealer, like it gives you the highlighting effect. And then I'm also going to blend it. And whatever is left on the brush I am going to apply it on my lid. And for bronzing my face I'm using the Sivanna's palette, and I'm going to pick bronzer, and with the help of a brush I'm going to apply it lightly on my face. I'm also bronzing my forehead and my jawline. So I'm going to apply Nude Nuance from Maybelline. And to give a pink touch, I am going to apply a pink shade on top of that lipstick. And for this look, I am going to draw a bold wing liner. So I'm going to draw the same on the other eye. So you can also rock this look with open hair But to complete the look, I parted my hair from the middle and I did a Dutch braid hairstyle. So here's the final look. And I also skipped the bun cause I like this look this way better. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you do, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me, and I'll see you guys soon with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye.